Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, as you guessed, it's a haul, which I'm pretty sure are the best videos on my channel that you guys like the most. So I figured, you know, let's just like have a haul. Let's do some makeup shopping. I've been using the same things over and over. It's time for some new stuff. And I also had a 20% off, so I was like, let's use that. So I went shopping at Ulta last night with my friend Dee, and I had her show me some things that she really likes because her makeup and her skin is just absolutely flawless. And I always like getting tips from my friends like that. I just adore and love their makeup and skincare and all that stuff. So she recommended a couple things to me in here. I got a couple restocks and things like that. So I thought I'd just show you guys. We're just gonna jump right in. I'm gonna show y'all what I got at Ulta. Don't forget to, of course, like this video if you liked it by giving me a thumbs up, subscribe, sign up for alerts by clicking the bell by my name. If you guys are interested in seeing more from me, let me know what you want to see next down below. I love you guys so much. I just looked over and then my Jaclyn Hill lipsticks are sitting over there, which, update on that, she refunded everyone that bought or purchased anything from her launch. So I respect that, and I would say that is a good comeback for sure. So I appreciated that. I still don't know if I'm gonna use the lipsticks or not. I kind of want to I want to wait till Kenna, the girl that, the biochemist, I want to see what she says, what's in the lipsticks, and when she gets a report back, I want to see what that says, and then we'll see from there. Anyways, we're gonna go right ahead. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. And don't forget, I'm gonna have every single product here linked down below, so if you want to purchase it, go ahead and check those links out, or, you know, add it to your cart, whatever you want to do, but you can buy it online. I'll make it easy for you and leave all the links. So yes, and I love it when you guys purchase from my links because they are affiliate links for the most part, not every single one of them, but most of them are. Okay, so the first thing I want to share with you guys, this is something that Dee showed me, and it's the Pacifica Dreamy Youth Day and Night Face Cream. Refuse to obey time, floral stem cells, powerhouse antioxidants. So this is good for all skin types, vegan, cruelty-free. Dang it. I don't think I've ever used anything from Pacifica before. Glowing radiant skin. Oh, I love that. You guys know I just showed you guys my skincare routine, so I've kind of been sticking to that. But she told me, like, when we went to dinner, so we went to dinner before we went to Ulta, and her skin just was radiating and so clear. And I was like, girl, what have you been using on your skin? You look amazing. And she told me she's been using this and another foundation I'm gonna show you guys in here, and then also a toner that I did not get because I have so many toners right now, but I probably will eventually pick it up. So this is the packaging of it. Isn't it so cute? It's so cute. I love a good pump. Oh, and this is good right now because my hands are dry. I love it when it takes a few times to get it out because that means nobody's used it. It's taking, ooh. Let's smell it. Ooh, definitely smell that floral, those floral notes. It's not way too overpowering, which I like because I don't like really overpowering. But honestly, I've been looking for another daytime moisturizer other than the mascara one, because that one I use just pretty much before makeup because I feel like it's good to, you know, adhere makeup to, like I was saying in my skincare video. But this one, I think it's gonna be really good. It's day and night face cream, so I use it for both. I'm gonna see what happens and if my skin looks like these. Because if it does, girl, it's gonna look good. Okay, so the next thing she told me to get, and it's a foundation, it's this L'Oreal I cannot talk. Let me just have a second. Okay, L'Oreal Infallible Foundation, up to 24 hours fresh wear. You guys know I've done videos in the past of L'Oreal foundation before. I've done the Pro Glow, Pro Matte. That was probably my most viewed video of showing a comparison of each foundation, the matte and the glowy one. And she was using this and it looks so good. It says breathable texture. She says it feels like you're not even wearing foundation, but honestly, it looked so beautiful on her. It has sunscreen in it, which I really like because I like knowing that there's SPF protecting my skin in the product. Yeah. I'm super excited about this. I honestly just guessed my shade, so we'll see if it works. If you guys want like a first impressions wear test or something like that, let me know because I will be happy to get that up like ASAP with this foundation because I know it's a little bit newer. So I try not to be too late to that kind of stuff, but sometimes it just happens, you know? So I did repurchase, or I did restock on a concealer, my favorite concealer of all time, and it is the Born This Way by Too Faced Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is good for concealing, contouring, highlighting, and retouching. I love this concealer. It's my ultimate favorite. There's a lot of concealers that I really like, but this has to be my #1 favorite. I'm actually wearing it right now. I already had the shade light beige, but I bought natural beige because I couldn't remember which one it was, so hopefully it's good enough. I know that it is, you know, summer, I'm gonna be darker, so maybe it'll be fine. I might have to swap it out for the light beige, I don't know. But honestly, it's so good. And I almost just repurchased the Tarte Shape Tape, but then I looked to see like the, how much product you get, and you get more product in this one, and it's like the same price, I'm pretty sure. It might be $1 difference. So I figured why not just get the one with more product, and I actually like this one better anyways. So if you guys haven't tried this concealer yet, do it. I'm thinking about getting a darker one for contour, because I love like cream contouring as well, so yeah. What else did I get? Oh yeah, more makeup. So I got this ColourPop Super Shock Shadow, and it's called Deep Dive. That's the shade that it's in. Normally I don't get these because I find that I get them a lot and I don't use them, but I was swatching it last night and it was just so pretty, and I had some swatches on my hand and I was like, Dee, which one should I get? And she said to get this one, so I got this one. And look at how pretty that is. Just like an all over lid color with some lashes would be really nice, kind of like a subtle look. I just think it's so pretty, nice and shimmery, a beautiful, like, it's not coppery, it's more of like a, I don't even know if I'd say it's cool or warm. Like, it's kind of more of like a neutral brown with holographic sort of vibes to it. Really like it. Beautiful. I can't wait to put this all over my lid. It'd be pretty for like, just, you could kind of do it day or night, and just, it's something kind of natural. You can smoke it out. It looks smoky and sexy and just really pretty. So yeah. And then I restocked my favorite setting spray right now, and it's the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I got 2 of them because I freaking love them so much. They're amazing. I'm wearing it right now on my face. I find that like this is probably my #1 right now. I do also like the Farsali 24 karat gold one, but I like this one even better because I feel like I hate it. Okay, so I love the Tatcha one, but I find that when I wear the Tatcha one, my hair sticks to my face because that's how dewy my skin is. And as much as I love dewy skin, I don't want my hair to be sticking to my face. So this one is just great for like all day wear, and it just kind of locks in your makeup, but it just kind of like, it gives me a hint of dewiness, but not very much at all. So I find that I get my dewiness kind of more from that highlighter or whatever. I just like it. It locks in my makeup. I love like how it's like this aerosol sort of even mist. And if you haven't tried it, you need to. And it's technically, I think, drugstore, so you can use coupons on it. Yeah, get it. Let's see what else. Ooh, so I picked this up. These are the Pacifica Underarm Deodorant Wipes. Yes, never used them, never heard anything about them, just saw them and thought I'd get them. Odor neutralizing with coconut milk and essential oils. They're vegan, cruelty free, they smell really good. They smell like coconut, and I love that. Oh, they really smell like a coconut creamsicle something or other. So I got these, and there's 30 of them. I think they were on sale for $3. Let me see if it rang up like that, because oh yeah, they didn't. They didn't. It said on sale for $3, and that was a freaking lie. That was a freaking lie. They're actually $9. Okay. I don't know why it said it was $3. But whatever. Yeah, anyways. It's fine. So I wanted these because I work out, you guys know, so sometimes, okay, this is gross, but it's a confession. If you watch Caitlin Bristow Off the Vine podcast, then you know that she has confessions, and yeah, this is my confession. So I most of the time will take a shower after my workout, but let's say like I don't have a crazy sweaty workout, but it's a little bit sweaty, then I'll just use some of these underarm deodorant wipes to get through the day, because I find if I shower way too much, I shower every day, don't get me wrong, I shower every single night before I go to bed, especially after work, because like I work in food and beverage and I'm bartending, so like I just feel like I sweat a little bit, I feel like I get food on me or whatever, and I feel like I just smell, and I always take a shower. I like going to bed clean, squeaky clean. So, but in the middle of the day, sometimes I just need like something to just kind of refresh me, because I don't want to dry my skin out by taking too many showers. So something like this is perfect. And then I also have some other wipes that I'll show you guys in another video that I use as well. So I'm gonna try those out, even though I thought they were on sale for $3. Whatever, they better be worth it. So since you guys know that it's summer, I've been laying out a little bit. I know some people that's very controversial because the sun is bad for your skin, blah, blah, blah. I like to get a little bit of vitamin D. I do it in moderation. Whatever, everybody can choose to do their own thing, right? So just use SPF, protect your skin, all that. But I like to use this amazing Maui Babe Browning Lotion. Now this does not have, we recommend applying, so this does not have SPF in it, but they recommend using SPF before and then going over with the browning lotion. I might go back and see if they have a browning lotion with SPF. I didn't really look. I was like literally rushing out the door, so I couldn't spend a lot of time. This was the last thing I put in my bag. So I've used this before. I heard about this through my friend, my big sis in my sorority, Sierra, and she swore by this, so I picked it up and I really like it as well. So it says all natural, fast dark tan, a local secret. It's like a Hawaiian thing, shake well. Best suntan lotion on the planet. Everyone tried it, loves it, and returns for more. So this is, yeah, this is like a Hawaiian based sort of a product, and I really like it. I think it gives me a nice natural tan and I love it. So there we go. Anyways, next thing, I restocked my favorite hairspray of all time, and it's the L'Oreal Paris Elnett Satin Unscented Stronghold, extra stronghold, because I do not like the scented ones. I think they smell like crap. So I get the unscented one, and they might have other scents that I don't like, but the original scent I don't like. So I love this stuff and I religiously use it. I actually need to put some on because I didn't use any hairspray and my hair will be gone in 2 seconds. And then I got a mini hairspray too, because I find that when I travel or whatever, it's just good to have one of these instead of carrying hauling this big old thing around. Especially if they get taken away at the airport, it's probably better to get the small one than the big one taken away. All right, so we are coming to a close here. I don't know if that was long or short, I can't tell. Probably long because I talk a lot. Last thing that I picked up, I was looking around at different lip glosses. I didn't know which one to get. As you guys know, I've been loving the Pat McGrath ones. Right now I have on Marc Jacobs Sugar Sugar. I'll link it down below. But this, I stumbled upon this one and I have not used any of KYLIE Cosmetics glosses, but Dee was looking at them and I was like, ooh. I was looking at the Stila ones. There's these Stila ones that are really pretty, but we looked at these and we're like, oh, and she got it. So I was like, I'm getting it. I was like, I will get so jealous if you have it and I don't. So I got it too. And it's called Oh You Fancy. It's KYLIE Cosmetics. Oh You Fancy, huh? Yes, it's like this peachy pink gold sort of thing. Ooh, yeah, that's pretty. Very nice. Ooh, yeah, I like that. I like the big fat doe foot applicator, and it's really pretty. And honestly, KYLIE's products are not crazy expensive. Like, I think they were $16 and then I got 20% off too, which was really nice. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of this on top of that Marc Jacobs. Nice little gloss. I love a good sparkly gloss. You know what I forgot to get? I forgot to get an Anastasia gloss. There's a friend of mine, her name is Lisa, and she has like the most gorgeous like lip gloss. Like her lips are always like beautiful looking with some nice lip gloss. And I asked her the other day, I was like, hey, I need to know your lip gloss because it is always looking good. And she said it was like Anastasia Beverly Hills Estella or something like that. And I was gonna get it and I completely forgot because we were looking at this one and I forgot, but I still want to get it for sure. Anyways, that wraps up this Ulta haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and let me know if you've used any of these products, what you think about them, or what you got during the Ulta sale. Let me know down below. I love talking about new products and things that you guys like, and if we like the same things or whatever, if you have something better in mind. So yeah, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, sign up for alerts, all that good stuff, and let me know what you want to see next down below in the comments. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.